And this is how you zoom in and out. You can look at the screen.
Ooh. This is gonna be
Rangers
fun.
too.
Should I let this one too?
I got it, Daddy. I got it.
Duncan didn't even know he was loose yet.
Oh, go get it. Get the dogs. Get the dogs. You getting the dogs?
He's like, I got it.
They're free.
Yeah, there you go. Oh my gosh, follow you, Gina.
They would go crazy.
You don't feel like me.
Dude, they're like probably thinking this is like pulling off heaven over here.
Oh, you found it.
Come here. Dude, all four of them in here.
Yeah.
Mom,
Dude,
are
we'd
there
have to
fish in
come
the
here
water?
most of the day, dude, if we brought all the dogs.
Are there fish in the water, Mom?
Not in this area.
There might be some like little chubs in there, but that's it. They're not gonna come after you. That's what you're
Look
worried
at
about.
Duncan. Mom, I want.
Go get it, Duncan. Get it, Duncan. Go get it.
Ooh, that's right.
You went
Nah,
past
I ain't going that
Duncan.
Hey,
far. Hey, Ranger's allowed to have fun.
go get the ball. Quick, guys. Go get the ball, Ranger. Where's the ball?
Oh.
He's like, I have no idea where the ball went. Show him where the ball went.
Ranger. Good dog. Go get the ball, Ranger.
Dogs
Go get the
having
ball.
fun. Having so much fun.
Where's the ball?
Oh, Ranger keeps coming back.
Dude, I want to make a nice thing.
They're all the way down there.
Yeah. Olivia, make sure you record all the way down there.
Go ahead.
I'm not going in there.
You don't want to. You can get
She
your
doesn't
shoes
want.
wet.
No, I told her not to. Take them off.
Take
I
your
don't
shoes
want to
off.
go in there.
It's cold. It's really cold.
I don't want to go in. How cold is it? Oh, yeah, that's freezing. I'm
Oh
not going
man,
in
that
there.
ball's long gone. Holy shit.
That ain't long gone.
Oh, they're all gone.
Dogs are
Say
long.
hi, Zach.
Here, here, no,
Say,
no.
Save it, Mama.
Okay.
Save the ball.
Daddy, I want to film. I can film down there. I'm just not going in.
This is when you have to use the zoom.
Did they get it?
Okay, can I use it now?
Not right now.
Why?
How's
My
this
turn.
trying to get it? Quit spitting everywhere. Seriously, nobody wants to get in the water if your spit's all over it.
Man, I'm bringing my Crocs next time.
Yeah,
Dude, if we just camped up here and brought the dogs, we could do this all day.
that would be awesome. They would love that.
What happened? That's on the water.
Yeah. Dogs are loving it.
She's like stuck. She's
Do you
trying to
think
get
ours would even go in the water?
Oh yeah.
I don't know. Olive would go in like we were making her get a bath.
Dude, they would love the shit out of this. I mean, they went in the pool
We have
in
to
the
do it
backyard.
whenever it's just us, though. We wouldn't
Yeah.
be able to do it with other dogs here.
No, they would. I think they would do.
We
it.
would have puppies.
No, we'll have them fixed by next year. I'm hoping. Because I think that'll.
We should
Calm
come
on.
up in 2
Daddy,
weeks.
now can I film?
I'm not.
Holy crap.
I got that on video.
Holy shit.
He's like trying to run on water.
Dude, Duncan's gone.
You guys are gonna lose the ball again. Go get the ball.
Duncan doesn't even care about the ball.
I know, they're too excited
He just
about
wants to
running around.
I
run.
know. Can I now, Daddy?
Throw it up here so it comes down.
Oh.
You want it until I throw it, and then you don't
Aw, Mom, there's a cross that says he's funny.
Dude, a little toad.
A toad?
What he said. They're so excited about being out running.
Daddy can film now.
What are you filming? Do you even know?
No, I'm just filming the film.
Can I now?
Can you imagine watching it in like 10, 20 years from now?
Can I now?
Yeah, you can.
I love
Still
it.
recording. Yep,
I
just stay away
love
from the
Yep. Whoa.
Really deep there.
Dog just coming in hot.
Hey!
Come on!
Gee.
Got some kind of lizard snake thing.
You're fine.
Duncan, knock it off.
Mom, I saw some kind of lizard snake thing.
Let me just do splashing from a dog
Donkin,
named Duncan.
Knock it off.
let Ranger have fun.
Duncan.
That's a chocolate.
Duncan. Hi, Duncan. There, Duncan, go. Oh, so cute. Hey.
Hey, this will wear him out.
Oh, I don't think cute.
What's that silk?
That's so cute. So cute. Ranger. I don't even know.
See, this water's like nice and cold. Dude, they're probably loving
I know, you can tell they're happy.
Oh no, it's so. Oh no,
You have to drink.
so not.
Too.
Look at that doggy. I'm sorry, I'm the worst
Duncan tries to
cat.
run through it so fast, but the water's so heavy. It's
Yeah.
Look at Ranger.
Oh, they're gonna help knock you over.
Mom, I
Yeah,
saw
they can
some
just
kind
go
of
over
lizard
anything.
snake thing
Yeah,
Where?
watch out for snakes.
over there.
Cool.
That's so cute. Mm. Look over 'em.
Did I just walk over it?
No, hopefully not.
That's Mickey's right there. Oh, Ranger Duncan. Back. 2 dogs. Good set, Ranger. Ranger's just sitting.
Ranger.
I think Ranger's a little tired. Ranger gets tired so easily. Oh no, oh no. I get back. I'm gonna come over this way.
How am I
See
supposed
if
to
you
get
guys can see the dog.
What?
But
after I saw a
gonna
snake
zoom
looking
in.
thing?
That's it, Ranger.
That's-
Come on, bud.
Ranger's like,
there's Duncan.
Come here, Ranger. Come on.
Ranger's gonna come through there.
You got her. Oh, you lost
Mom,
the ball.
get in the water.
Come on, Ranger.
Come on, Ranger!
Nikki, smile.
Where's Ranger gonna come? There's Duncan, he got the ball. But Ranger's so
That's it. Come on.
tremendous.
Good boy.
Good job, Ranger! There they are. So cute.
You better be careful. You're gonna be doing a big split and
Kaylee,
cracking
look.
your nuts.
Go stand by Mama.
Okay. Oh my god. I can't get that camera wet.
No, that's fine.
Smile.
Good. Smile. There's a cross actually go right underneath that cross. Oh, it is. Never mind. Where's that ball at?
They
Right,
had it, I thought.
it's right there.
What happens if you throw it on the land, like a little bit fast?
Throw it over the.
Good job,
What happens if I
Ranger.
throw the ball past you a little
Good
bit?
Duncan, Ranger, Duncan. Duncan has the orange color. Ranger has black. Like he doesn't smell right.
Duncan, where are you going? You like ran into the side.
Good Ranger! Throw it past us and see if... Hold on, wait, let me record it. Alright, go ahead. Go get it.
How am I supposed to get back?
Forget that.
Here, I'll throw it back to you.
What
Ranger?
that does.
What is it?
See who's gonna catch it.
Mom, how am I supposed to get
Where'd it go?
What is he doing? He keeps running over there.
I think it's more shallow.
He's pretty smart. I think he figured it out.
He's just chilling.
He's gonna take the shortcut over here.
That's awesome.
Oh,
Dude,
they're
dogs
so
make your
cute.
life so much better.
From the camera point of view, it looks
Watch
like
out,
it's coming
you're
out.
gonna get wet.
Yeah, you guys are gonna get wet. I don't want that.
Ranger, come get the ball.
Yeah. Oh no.
Like,
Oh,
man, it's deep here. I can't move.
no. There we go. Zoom into that little dog Ranger. Ranger running. There's Duncan and then Ranger. Duncan, Ranger. From the point of view in the camera, looks like it's coming. Where's the ball?
Nope.
There it is, folks.
I watched them since they're coming. I don't want them running.
I wonder what it says on it.
Come here, Duncan. Ranger.
I could
There
never
we
let
go.
them off if Zach wasn't here. They don't listen to me.
Come on.
If the dogs
Do you guys see the
I
ball?
see the ball.
Oh, that's so close. Mom, move! I'm trying to film the ball.
You guys walking together.
Duncan.
Duncan.
Sometimes when me and Bailey walking together,
Stop. He doesn't know which way to go.
Whoa! Ranger! Rangy donkey. Rangy. Duncan Ranger. That's okay. We all have different moods, right? Look at this dog going.
Eventually, Ranger's gonna stick up for himself.
Whoa! I'm sorry! I didn't mean to guys get all
Careful, Nikki.
yuck. But that's okay.
Ranger,
He's as stuck as Nikki.
you trying to help Nikki? You trying to help?
Good job, buddy.
Duncan, where do you think you're going?
Look at you.
Don't lose.
Aw, Ranger's all worried about Nikki. That's so cute.
I need to say, guys, my brother is over there. What the heck? Nikki!
Much like Olive.
Yeah, let's get Nikki. He's climbing.
Yeah.
oh, give me anything,
That boy is climbing. See his face. That boy is climbing.
Aw. Oh, Nikki, you're making Ranger so nervous.
I made it.
There's up there.
How am I supposed to get down?
I'll help you. Come on. Take my hand. Oh, wow.
Ranger,
There's
come
no
on, bud.
water.
Good job, dude.
We listen pretty good.
Yeah,
Good boy.
Here they are. Oh, cute. Look at how pretty this is. Look at that one. They give him a carrot.
Nikki, stay
And
over here.
And it's so cold.
Stay with us.
There you guys get that. Hi, Mom. Say hi.
Hi.
Daddy's back. Sing. Man, my brother. And one dog. Two dogs.
Ranger, come.
Nikki, stay here.
Ranger!
You're making the dog want to go. You can wait.
Ranger.
Ranger!
Ranger. 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 Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Crazy. Hey, Duncan, give me the ball. Duncan, get down. Can I
Grab the dogs, guys.
Why?
Nikki, there's a car coming.
Oh,
Stay on the side. Do not move.
stay there, Nikki. I'm going too soon.
I want to get away from the water a little bit.
Those are hard.
Olivia, you have a camera? Come all the way up.
Okay.
And out of the way.
Stay right
The
there.
camera. I need to run. I have your camera, Daddy. There's a car coming. Get the dogs. Yeah. Look at this truck splash. Pretty big splash. I can't zoom in. they don't. Yes, the dog.
Olivia, are you doing commentary?
Yep.
You better do it.
Daddy, can I do some videos on here later? Like the Kinky Pup
I
did?
don't care.
Good. Because I suck at filming with my tablet.
If you think you want to walk around and do your own
You're
thing,
fine.
you can. See, this is when German Shepherds are protected.
This is when the German Shepherds get the humans. The humans.
These are chewed.
The humans.
Alright, it's this one back.
The humans. I'm not going to show that. Sorry, but
Here, can you take the ball?
like that. Not so you guys can't see them. What are we? Mom, are we leaving?
No, they're just putting the dogs in the cage right now since there are other people.
Yeah. Can I get down now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they're not coming for it. You don't have to worry about the water.
Okay. Sorry. That's... Jeez. Daddy's camera's not going to be ruined by the water. It's going to be ruined by me falling. Let's go. Walking, walking, walking. Creek. I'm not going to go in the creek because I don't know. Yeah, there's some people there. I'm going to zoom out as much as I can. But they're going back away. That's good. That's so, yeah, but look at this. I'm not going to go in the water, but it's pretty cool. Look at that. Water. I'm going to bring it up close to you guys. That's the water. Pretty cool. They're just putting the dogs away because they're all...
Where are my boots?
So, yeah.